When something sad happens, and instead of crying or reacting intensely, the mind remains silent as if it does not know how to respond when everyone expects a strong emotion, but inside there is nothing, a feeling of. According to psychology, this state is known as a form of emotional inhibition or psychological shock. It does not mean that the person does not feel anything, but that the emotional system enters into a kind of temporary blockage, is a mechanism of protection of the mind. When overtaken by the emotional burden, it interrupts the affective response to avoid a collapse. This phenomenon occurs when the intensity of the experience exceeds the system's capacity to process it, at which time the areas in charge of the emotional response reduce their activation, while others take control to sustain internal stability. That is why from the outside it looks like coldness, or when in fact it is an automatic pause. Over time, unconfirmed emotions can emerge gradually, sometimes days later, through dreams, memories, or unexpected reactions. Initial emotional silence does not deny pain, it postpones it, so that the mind can process it in a safer way. So, not reacting immediately to something sad does not mean indifference, but the mind is prioritizing stabilizing itself before allowing emotion to appear.